GM peeps. It's June 5th. It's evening time. It's evening time in the Philippines at the moment. Let me just tweet this out real quick. Quick TA stream on Solana. Quick TA stream on Solana. Yeah, I gotta tweet this out because I love Solana, and I have a lot of Solana followers. Okay, so yeah, we're looking at Solana today. So, skipped ahead here. Well, first, before we get to Solana, like how's Bitcoin doing, right? We always want to look at Bitcoin when things get started. GM Real Talks. So Bitcoin, after this little fake out here, is just going sideways. We got a lower low, lower low. Oh, wait, sorry, lower high, lower high. But then you also have a low and then a slightly lower low. But it's still it's ranging within my lines right here. Ethereum, a higher low, but still it's broken down out here. I expect more price discovery in the opposite direction. That's Ethereum. Let's close it out. We're not talking about Ethereum. We're talking about Solana. So I've been saying, and a lot of other people have been saying too, Solana's cycle is following closely to Ethereum's first cycle, as Ethereum's current cycle is following closely to Bitcoin's previous cycle. So here is a chart of Ethereum. I believe this is the Coinbase chart. And I did a calculation here. But I think it was 94.25%. So hold on, let me zoom in a little bit more here. From the top in 2018 to the bottom in 2018. Yeah, 94.3%. So I tried to roughly do it here, 94.25%. Now, if Solana, this is data on the left here from FTX. So because I didn't have this history on Coinbase is a little bit I'll only have from here to here. I'll show you that my Coinbase chart in a second. But anyways, I'll show you my Coinbase chart on Solana now. Oops. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. I just learned something new in what the heck is going on here? Hold on, guys. I got something messed up here. See, this is the data on Coinbase. You don't get that much data. This is the data. I don't know what happened on this balloon, but this balloon basically marks when degen apes happened. Let me just get rid of that. Okay. But that's Coinbase data. So you need FTX data to get the full history, right? Now, and let me compare that to ETH again. That's ETH's current cycle. Here's the ETH cycle last in 2017. Yeah, very similar. So, and what I like though is that the 95% drop, there is some potential support in this range right here. So that I didn't really have a target on Solana. It was basically going to buy back into Solana when Bitcoin got to its 200 week. So we go to the week on Bitcoin. It's this blue line. The blue line is a 200 week on Bitcoin. The red line is a 300 week. I don't think we get to the 300 week, but I was going to buy back in the Solana and Ethereum once we get close to the 200 week on Bitcoin. But now I also have a price target in mind, which is 15. I think Solana is getting back into the 20s, maybe in the next few weeks. But now I've kind of this, and also this little range of support here is something I'm looking at. Real Talks, my ledger came in. Great, I have 15 ledgers, use none of them. All right, so This is not by the block comparisons. So Ethereum has been beating Bitcoin in every single metric except two. Transaction fees. This is actually a positive. It actually means that your chain is being used. Now here's the thing: Bitcoin is being used, right? But it's not being used like, um, it's not being used like Ethereum with DeFi and stuff. Um, I don't get fished. iPro. Nah, never mind. Transaction counts are up, are higher. Look at Ethereum's got these are 7 day. Okay, so daily, 1 million. Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? 250,000 per day. Let's see. Let's go year to date. Or all right. Number of active addresses. Bitcoin does lead because Bitcoin's been out like 5 years earlier or 4 years earlier. Ethereum at 400 million, 400,000. Sorry, Bitcoin at 800,000. Number of new addresses. Bitcoin also beating Ethereum actually, but addresses. Percentage of supply, basically the same, adjusted on-chain volume. This is because of Bitcoin's market cap. The real thing is here, market capitalization. Obviously, Bitcoin is bigger, is higher than Ethereum. Miner revenue is basically the same. Average transaction fee, same thing. Percentage of supply active in 1 year. But anyways, so yeah, transaction counts, fees, number of active addresses are rising. Now, Solana's monthly number of unique addresses is at 2.3 million. So that's already beating. Well, it's getting close, but it's improving on Ethereum. And as far as transactions that have happened, this is 51 billion transactions have happened on Solana. So that is a massive exponential scale over Ethereum or Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Now, yes, there's a lot of botting in that, but that just shows the efficiency of the Solana system, which is still in beta. I just had to share these links out here. I'll put them in the video. There's been a lot of like anti-Solana hate or Solana hate on Twitter and whatnot. But you know what? That just tells me we're super early, because you can bet that when Ethereum was way down over here, like people thought Ethereum was dead. So, and especially this massive wick down here. So this is a short, quick video. Real talks. I don't need to use a ledger, dude. There's no reason for me to use a ledger. I don't connect to. I'm not signing transactions that let people steal my money. And I've got. Yeah, I basically. Yeah, there's no reason for me to use a ledger. For everyone else, definitely use a ledger. I say I don't use a ledger because I'm a pro. But yeah, if you're just starting out in crypto and you don't know what you're doing, you don't know how to keep track of things. Yeah, I know people have lost lots and lots of money, hundreds of thousands of dollars in coins stolen. But here's the thing: they went to a phishing website and they signed a transaction. So if you do that with a ledger, you're still gonna lose your coins. Now maybe having to use your ledger, you might think a little bit longer and it might save you, but that's the only benefit there, literally. If you know how to keep your passwords and seed phrases safe. I have a ledger. It's just I like my coin. I just like more liquid access to my coins. Anyways, that's it, guys. This is my target. I think we're going to get into the 20s on Solana. And if things get really bad, like Bitcoin wicks below 20K, I expect a $10 Solana. That's gonna be nasty. But I'm buying everything back. I'm all in cash right now. 50% cash, 50% NFTs. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Short video. Catch y'all on the flip side. GN.